In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change print or web layout on Microsoft Word document. Navigating between different layout views in Microsoft Word can make a big difference in how you edit and preview your documents. Whether you're preparing your work for printing or getting it ready for online publishing, understanding how to switch between these views ensures your document looks exactly how you want it to. Let's go through the process step by step. First, open your Word document. You can work on an existing file or start with a blank document to practice these settings. Once your document is open, go to the View tab on the ribbon at the top of the Word window. This tab contains tools that let you control how your document is displayed on your screen. Within the View tab, you'll notice a section called the Views group. Here, you'll see an option labeled Web Layout. Clicking on Web Layout changes your document view to a continuous format, ideal for online content. This layout removes the traditional page breaks, showing your text as one flowing block, similar to what you'd see in a web browser. It's a great way to get a sense of how your content will appear on digital screens, helping you adjust spacing, images, and formatting for web readability. After reviewing your document in Web Layout, you might want to switch back to Print Layout. To do this, return to the View tab and select Print Layout from the same Views group. Print Layout is the default view in Word, simulating how your document will appear on paper. It includes headers, footers, page breaks, and column layouts, which are essential for preparing documents for printing. This view helps ensure your formatting, page numbers, and spacing appear correctly before sending your document to the printer. Switching between these layouts is quick and simple, and practicing it can greatly enhance your workflow. Web layout is perfect for digital publishing, while print layout is essential for accurate page formatting and printed output. By mastering these views, you can confidently prepare your document for any platform, ensuring it is both professional and polished. With just a few clicks, you now know how to toggle between web layout and print layout, optimizing your editing experience and improving your document preparation for any purpose. The more you practice these tools, the more efficiently you'll manage your documents, whether they're meant for screens or paper. Thank you for watching, and remember to explore other features to make your Microsoft Word experience even more productive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.